Hello class, today what we're going to be doing is working on the order of operations. The order of operations is extremely important because if you don't do it the correct way, you're going to get a different answer than what you're supposed to. For example, we have these two equations right here. One of them I'm going to solve the wrong way, and one of them I'm going to solve the right way. So first of all, we're going to do it the wrong way. We are not going to work from left to right because if we do that, as in this case, we're going to be doing our addition before multiplication. So if you do that, you're going to get 5 times 4, and then you're going to get 20. This one, we're going to do the correct way. So if we do it that way, we're going to be starting with our multiplication. So we're going to have a 2 plus 12 equals 14. So as you can see, by doing it 2 different ways, we're going to get 2 different answers. So, how do we do it? Well, let me show you. Alright, so for our order of operations, we're going to have PEDMAS. So PEDMAS stands for parentheses, exponents, division and multiplication, and addition and subtraction. Now the reason why this is important is because if it's not in the right order, as you can see from earlier, it's not going to be right. So by doing it in this order, we're going to get the correct answer. So here we have an equation. 2 times 3 to the second power, or 3 squared, plus 4 minus parenthesis 5 minus 2. So we're going to solve it using PEDMAS. So first, we're going to look for parentheses. So we see some parentheses right here. So we're going to write out the rest of the equation we're not using. 2 times 3 squared plus 4 minus, and then we have our parentheses. 5 minus 2 is 3, and since we're solving everything inside the parentheses, we're going to take it out. So we have 3 there. Next, we're going to do our exponent. We can tell this is an exponent because it has that little number at the top. So, as you can remember from our last lesson, an exponent, the big number is the number being multiplied, and the little number tells us how many of them there are. So in this case, for 3 squared, or 3 to the second power, it is 3 times 3. So once we remember that, we can solve our equation. So we have 2 times 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 4 minus 3. So, now that we're done with exponents, we can move on to our next one, division and multiplication. Well, in this equation, we don't have any division, but we do have some multiplication, so we can solve that. Our multiplication is right here, 2 times 9, which is 18. Then we have our plus 4 minus 3. And then for addition and subtraction, we have more than one, so we're just going to work our way from the left to the right. So we're going to do 18 plus 4 first, which is 22. And then do minus 3. 22 minus 3 is 19. So by using the order of operations, we have our correct answer. So I have a few more different problems inside of the video for you to work out and try to do on your own before I'll show you how to do it. So just do it and try your best.